Hello everyone. I am Dr. Preeti Tejas Boruste from SNJBIS College of Engineering, Department of MBA. And I welcome all my subscribers to my YouTube channel. And friends, in today's video, we are going to learn how to talk about our strength and how to talk about our weaknesses in an interview. So let's begin with. Now, why interviewer wants to know your strength or why this question is asked in an interview. The first thing, the interviewer wants to identify whether your strengths align with the needs of the company and the job's responsibility. And the second thing the interviewer wants to know is whether you are good fit for the role. So there are lists of strength that you can talk about yourself for job interviews, like flexibility, dedication, positive attitude, creativity, leadership, determination, organization, empathy, learning. So these are the few strengths that you can talk about yourself in a job interview. But remember that whenever you tell your strength, always try to align your strength with the job description or with the job. So always take time to read the job description well so that you can tailor your answer appropriately and match your skills with the job description, that is, the need of the company. There are few tips that you need to take care when you talk about your strength. Always be honest. When you tell about your strength, tell it in a form of a story and always keep it short. For example, my curiosity is one of my greatest strengths. When talking, when taking on a new project, I enjoy asking clients questions about their hobbies and personal grounds. This helped me establish a personal connection with them while keeping communication easy and productive. I know how important establishing quality relationship with customer is for a sales program and company as a whole. And I feel I would fit into your climate well. So friends, in this example, we can see that the candidate had nicely told about his strength and also aligned his strength with the need of the company and the job description. Now, after talking about your strength, the interviewer also wants to know your weakness. And what is the reason? The interviewer just want to evaluate your self-awareness with respect to how aware you are with respect to your weaknesses. Also, he want to assess your current talents and identify areas for improvement. So it is very important that we need to give authentic answer, honest answer, and tell about whatever who actually you are. Remember, whenever you talk about your strength, the answer can be given in two parts. First, talk about your weakness, and then talk how you can overcome the weakness. There are few don'ts that you need to take care while talking about your weakness. Never answer a weakness that is essential part of the job. Also, never answer like I'm a perfectionist or I work too hard. The interviewer may think that you either lack depth or you are trying to avoid the question altogether. Also, do not respond with a weakness that is too personal or irrelevant. Also, never say that I don't have any weakness or I don't know. It may show that you are unprepared or you lack introspection. This is one example of how can we speak about our weakness. I focus too much on details. My greatest weakness is that I sometimes focus too much on the details of a project and spend too much time analyzing the final points. I have been striving to improve in this area by checking in with myself at regular intervals and giving myself a chance to refocusing on the bigger picture. That way, I can still ensure quality without getting so much caught up in the details that it affect my productivity or the team ability to meet the deadline. So again, friends, here you can see that the candidate has talked about his strength about his weakness, and also further how he is working to overcome his weakness is also explained. So in this way, surely you can talk about your weakness. Few more weaknesses that you can talk about in interview are: I have a hard time, I have trouble saying no, I get impatient when project run beyond the deadline, I can have trouble asking for help. So these are the few bearable weakness that you can surely talk about in an interview. But friends, remember, never talk about a weakness that can raise red flags. So that was all about today. It was a great time interacting with all of you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Friends, also do not forget to like, subscribe, and like my channel, as it will motivate me to make more such interesting videos for you. Thank you so much.